And write your name so I can write it down on my iPad.
I want my name to be a household product.
Normally, could keep my cool, but tonight I'm whining. I'ma be in a dangerous mood. Can you match my timing? Telling me.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Jose. If you are new here and you want to be a part of this great and growing community, make sure you subscribe and become a YoG. That's what I call myself, supporters. So if you're not new here, y'all already know what to do. So make sure you hit that like button and comment, leave a comment, please leave a comment. I want to talk to y'all. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead. I'm sure you saw in the intro that I got a new iPad, and we're gonna do the unboxing for the iPad. All right, we already did it. Today we are unboxing the iPad Air 5 in the 10.9 size, the only size actually to be exact, in the color space gray with the liquid retina display. Now this iPad has the M1 chip set inside, so that means it's gonna last you a while. You got a desktop chip inside an iPad, like what? A lot of people get this iPad for the gaming capability because it does have, like I said, the M1 chipset inside of it. That's not why I got it. I got this because I want to start digital planning. If you haven't seen my vlog about me getting this iPad, I'll link it somewhere around here. I got this iPad because I'm gonna start digital planning. I'm learning a new language and I'm gonna start budgeting in this. Basically, it's gonna be my little assistant. That's why I got it. I wanted this to help me elevate my content creation, help me stay better organized. And like I said, I wanna learn a new language. So this will definitely be a tool to help me with all of those things actually. And plus, like, I feel like if you have an iPad, I feel like if you are out and about and you see someone with an iPad, you're automatically like, wow, he or she or they have their life together. Like, look, they got an iPad. They must have their life together. Also, another good thing about this iPad, it has the Apple Pencil 2nd generation capability. And guess what? Now that we're talking about it, the Apple II Pencil. I got this because it's like, why wouldn't you get, I mean, it's a little pricey. Yeah, I know. I feel like you need, if you want to stay organized and start getting your life together, you're gonna need this Apple II Pencil. I'm sorry. You're gonna need this little Apple II Pencil. Yeah. Writing stuff down. I feel like I'm taking a reservation. Reservation? No? Are you on the list? You better be on the list. Did you subscribe? You better have subscribed, all right? I'm gonna take a minute, hit that subscribe button, and write your name so I can write it down on my iPad. This pencil can snap on. Wait, it didn't snap. Beautiful. It has it right here. I mean, I'm sure y'all already know this, but like, to me, that's so cool because I didn't have I had an iPad, but when I was like, you know, like very, I had like one of the first iPads that came out. With these two alone, I feel like I'm gonna be unstoppable, which brings me to the next part. So I got this screen protector, and it's supposed to be the dupe for the really expensive ones that Apple sells, or whoever sells as paper-like or paper or something. Paper mache. These are not that expensive compared to the other one, like the $40 ones. I think I even saw like a $60 ones. So that's why I heard mixed reviews about them. I got two of them because they come 2 in a pack, and I know when I put this on, I'm gonna mess it up. So I'm like, let me just be on the safe side. And if I don't like it, I'm gonna go ahead and just get the glass protector, you know, that you put on your iPhones, but the bigger version. And I can't wait to turn glass into paper, allegedly. And I'm gonna have everything linked down below, so if you want to go ahead and check it out. I do get a small commission for it, so if you click it and you buy something, I'm gonna get paid. So then this brings me on to the next thing that I bought for this iPad that I ordered, and it's the Moft Snap Case for iPad. Why did I need to read that? But yeah, let's go ahead and open this. I'm so excited, I can just spit. Am I? Oh, you pull out. Why? You pull out. When in doubt, pull out. Okay, so this is the case. This is it. And then it has like a little slot in here. It has the little slot in here for your pencil. It has a little hole here. Take it out, write it down. I feel like an architect, like I'm designing my life. So this case, if you have the keyboard for your iPad, it's not gonna disturb it. It's gonna magnetize onto the back of it, and you can use your keyboard freely. Also, I got this one so the pencil can be a little bit more secure. So if I didn't have it, I'll have if I bump into something, more than likely I'm gonna go ahead and drop the pencil, perhaps maybe even lose it. And this pencil was expensive, so I'm not trying to lose this baby, okay? So this is gonna help a lot for that extra secureness. I need to be secure with things, you know? So yeah, that's why I got this one, and it's just like so good. This case also comes in different sizes, so whatever iPad that you have, either the iPad Pro, the Air, the Mini. So the last accessory that I got for this iPad by Moft, and it's the Snap Float Folio. This is gonna go well with my iPad Moft Snap Case. They are sold separately, but they're gonna work very well together. Let me open this and tell you why I got these. Another unboxing. You know, pull out. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Ay, ay, ay. Here it is, guys. Boom. Here's the case for it. Now, the reason why I say these are gonna work well together, because this one's it has magnet, and it's gonna snap right on. Yeah, like I said, it snaps on, and you can remove this one and just use this alone if you want, or if you want a little bit more protection for your iPad, you're gonna go ahead and just snap it on here. The reason why I got the Snap Case as well as the Snap Folio, the Snap Floating Folio, Float Folio, girl, the Snap Float Folio, the reason why I got them both was because I needed something that I could easily remove and work hands-free. And also this has 3 magnetic angles. They're all going to be in landscape mode. One of the first ones that you can do is a 20-degree landscape mode angle. The next level is going to be at 75 degrees. And the last one is the reason why it has this name, the floating landscape mode at 3.1 inches elevation. And that to me was the coolest one. Case as well as other products that they have are inspired by the origami. If you watch my vlogs, you guys know that I'm trying to learn Japanese. And I figured this is like the best case for my daily motivation, you know? Okay guys, that is it for this video. If you made it this far, make sure you leave the little apple and a little pencil emoji. And thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to use these products to their full potential. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.